This is a tangle I believe called ethno. And it begins with orbs in sets of 2, and you alter them up and down. And we always start with gratitude, breathing in the things that we're grateful for, exhaling all the junk, and then we're going to create these rainbows over each set of 2. I like to turn it sideways. It's easier to take off and land on each orb if you do it sideways. So we're going to take off from that orb and land. Take off and land. Make sure that you're breathing, light with the pen, light with the pressure. What happens in tangling for me, and my purpose of how I teach it, is about self-care and meditation. So whenever we do things that are repetitive and we continue to do the same thing over and over again, our mind is realizing it has time to relax. And so many times you'll find that you can't think of anything else. Now we're going to connect them. So this time we're going under the rainbow. All the rest of these we're going to take off and land under the rainbow. Now, how you know you're connecting the right ones is a nice little don't cross lines. In the Zentangle method, rarely do you cross lines. So I find whatever is the best flow. So in this case, we just went down, and then we went down the next one, connecting them together. And then finally getting to the point where we connect the orbs to create this very first completed part of the tangle. Now, throughout this process, meditation is the key to many things. And one of the things that I realized I was having a challenge with was meditation. And my aunt showed me the Tangle Paradox, and I fell in love with it. So with all the wild, crazy things going on in my life, my mother had just died at 60 years old. My father was just diagnosed with cancer at the same time. He died a few years later at 63, and I was in the middle of a terrible divorce. So I needed the meditation. I needed my mind to quiet down. And what I found was the minute I started tangling, that was my way to meditate, because it was repetitive. And so what I would do is I would take a simple tangle that I loved and do a whole page of it over and over and over again. Now, at the very top of my pinned videos, if you scroll all the way to the left, you will see my tangle tutorials. I think there's over 250 in there, and they're free. Check them out. Watch them. Now, don't go through and favorite all of them at one time. Don't go through and not watch them all, because that really hurts my algorithm. And that's important to me. So now we're just taking a regular pencil. I'm showing you what a tortillon is. And I added graphite underneath each rainbow. And essentially you're going to turn the page, the tile, piece of paper, notebook, whatever you have, in each direction, putting the graphite underneath each rainbow. And then you're going to blend it out with the tortillon. It's also called a blending stump. And that's what you're going to do throughout this whole thing. But this, to me, is the meditation. This clears my mind, because repetition is an amazing thing to do that. So it can be anything from doodling, tangling, crocheting. So for those of you
your
who
mind
are,
goes off
finding
and does its own
yourselves,
thing
finding
and
where
takes a
you
break.
are, many
And
of
that
you
is
are
why
on spiritual
I teach
journeys,
this.
so looking to connect to your
want
intuition
you
for
to
many different reasons.
enjoy the
some
process,
just to find
not
yourself,
strive for perfection,
some for
and
maybe mediumship,
the more
or,
you really
intuitive type things.
let perfection go,
meditation
and
is the key.
have your ego sit
Quieting your
back
mind. You can see how I
and not
I
look for
waited
perfection.
in what you just saw
the
before
more
that.
things
If you go
will
back,
just fall into
I
place.
weighted just one.
It's all about
and shaded
surrender.
it heavily, so you can see just
It's
the
all
one
about
coming through the
letting
rest of all
go,
the other tangles if you go back a
and
little
so
bit.
much more comes from that.
So there are so many
I do
benefits
have
to this,
full
and
free
all you need is
classes
any
here on
paper, any
YouTube.
pen, any
I have a
pencil.
membership
I've been
here
doing this live
if you want to get
7
bonus
to 10
content
times
on some of the
week,
tangles.
free, live,
And I
for
also
2
have a
years,
website that
a little
has
over 2 years.
prepaid, already
And I started
recorded
this because as a
classes.
stressed out nurse,
I have kits.
during
I have
COVID,
an Etsy shop.
I had
You can
had
check me
enough,
out
and
on
I
all
was
my
teaching
other
these
social
classes at
media.
home, and decided it was time
much more to come.
share it with everyone
But
else.
the bottom line is,
And
it's about
now
the journey
I'm
to the
gonna
end
ask
of the
you to do
tangle.
the
The
same
tangle's a
thing.
bonus at the
I'm
end.
gonna ask you to
And
share with
choose
everyone
you.
else, bring
Make
people to my
time
lives,
for you.
and I can't
That's
wait
the
to
most
see you.
important of all.
So
Have a
I'll
great
see you
day.
soon.